happy Mother's Day to all of you. I'm sitting here with my lovely daughter Mackenzie, and we both got our Stitch Fix boxes. So we are going to do a mother-daughter Stitch Fix. We're both tired and lazy and not feeling great. We just want to do nothing right now, so we're going to just show you the clothing right now. And then we're going to try it on tomorrow at lunchtime and show you guys the outfits. So what we'll do is we'll show you, each of us will pick out an item and hold it up and tell you what it is. And then we'll do the try on and all that fun stuff. So I'll get started. The first item I got was she found something on my Pinterest board that was like camo joggers or something. So she sent me these cute little camo shorts. They're really cute, like little jogger shorts. They're by RD Style, and they are a Stitch Fix exclusive, which means you can't get them anywhere but Stitch Fix. So and they're in a size medium. So there are those. Those look really cute. I might want to keep those. We'll see how they fit. You're up.
Okay, I guess we'll do my shorts.
Save your one piece for last. Save the one piece for last.
These are by Pistola.
Pistola?
Something like that. They're a size 0. They're really cute.
Size 0. They are cute.
I like them. They're not too short where you feel like a slut.
Oh, Kenzie. All right. Number 2. I got a pair of Judy Blue jeans in a size 9, and they're really nice. I don't know though if they're short. They look like they might be crops, and I'm not a crop fan, but I am a fan of Judy Blue jeans, and I do like the the whiskering on there, the color of them. So they look pretty nice. So I'm excited to try them on. I'm just hoping they're not too short. They may just be a petite. We'll see. And those are Judy Blue.
I'll do my accessory.
I
got this purse,
which she doesn't like.
No, I'm not a big fan of the color. Plus, I just bought a purse from Kate Spade. So
just like a neutral, regular purse. Who's it by? Who's that one by?
Lulu.
Lulu? Lulu or Blue Lou?
Lulu.
Lulu. It's the Patty double zip dome, crossbody, and light gray.
This is not gray.
It's gray. It's like a nudie gray.
Okay.
It does have a purple tint, it looks like. This next item to me is like a workout piece that you would wear. I asked for business casual, or maybe I would ask for work clothes. I don't know. This is like a piece you'd wear with leggings at home. So the material, I had Kenzie feel it because it's got little cinching on the side, but it's workout material, and it's just a gray little top with cinching on the sides. It's really actually cute. And then it's got this crisscross in the back. This is by Fortune and Ivy. Is that all it says? Hold on. I tell you. Fortune and Ivy crystal lattice detail cinch sleeve knit top light gray medium. Ta-da.
Next, I got this dress by Collective Concepts. It's an extra small.
She doesn't like that either.
No, I'm not a big fan.
She's not a fan of her box, really. But I think she's got to be a little more specific with them because she doesn't get boxes. This is only her 5th box ever. And she doesn't like a lot of patterns either. She liked my items better than the items that she got. So I think
which is all in my style profile.
Yeah. So, but they don't look. All right. So the next item I got this is a cute little top too. This is like a little burgundy rose colored top, and this is by Colette Romney cold shoulder knit top in burgundy, but the sides of this, it's like the cold shoulder, but like it goes down like that, so it's a different twist. I don't know if you guys how well you can see it, but it's a little twist on the side. It's just a really cute little top. I think I'm gonna like that one, don't you? That'll just be great to grab with jeans, I think. All right, you got it. I like this one. To me, this looks like a handkerchief or a bandana.
LUQ?
Luck? L-U-Q?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Racial tie detail halter top. I like it. I mean, I don't hate it.
Yeah, I think
it's not
cute.
bra friendly.
Yeah, we like bra friendly around here. I mean, it's okay to wear that stuff. It's super cute when you do, but it's like a pain to like put a special bra on.
I'm not really a huge fan of tank tops in general, but
you like t-shirts?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna both pull out this next item at the same time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. Look at what we got. Mother-daughter twinsies. And that was not planned. We actually have different stylists, and neither one of us asked for this. It's not like we requested it, but we got this cute little tank.
It's very soft.
Again, not bra friendly. It's got a little detail in the back, a little keyhole. This is by Paper Moon, and it is the Samala halter knit top. Mine's in a medium. Hers is probably extra small. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Extra small for hers. Yeah, so those are super cute though. We do like these. So we both might keep those and then we'll be twinning. All right, guys, we are going to try them all on. For you, it'll be tomorrow. For us, for you, it'll be in just a second. We'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. All right, guys, so Kenzie and I first, we have our first outfits on. She's taller than me, which is posing a problem. We both don't have the right bra on for our outfit because of what we were wearing today, and you're just gonna have to deal with that. But she is wearing the cute little dress. I'll let you back up and show them. She doesn't like it. You want to tell them why?
It just looks kind of frumpy, like it doesn't fit right.
Talk real loud because we're outside.
I'm not gonna repeat myself.
She said it feels frumpy. So she originally came out and she had it like off the shoulder, which was okay, but this one looks a little bit better up. It's got the square neckline, which is pretty. You guys can't tell in the video, but it's actually too big on her, even though it's an extra small. So that one's going back. All right. And then my outfit, I have this cute little top. It's got this like cold shoulder on the sides, but it's really like kind of understated, which I like. And I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just got a little twist here. This is cute. The top's really comfy. And then I've got the pants on that are the camo pants. Those are super cute too. The whole outfit's like really, really cozy, very casual, but like this would be cute even with jeans for a shirt for work in the morning. Sometimes simple is better, and it's got the bottom, you know, the bottom. This was the only top that really matched the pants. I think I'd actually wear these shorts a lot. They're quite comfortable. I don't know if you can, no, they're tacked up. You cannot roll them down. So this is how short they are. So, all right, so we'll go try our next ones on for you. We'll be right back. Okay, I really, really like this next outfit for Kenzie. I think it's so cute. So she's got the shorts. How do the shorts fit?
They fit pretty good.
They're not too loose on you? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn around, show us your butt. She got a little flat butt. She doesn't have a butt like her mama.
Not in shorts.
This is really cute, but I think with the material, we're going to check it. I think this is that material that's going to shrink and come up close, Kens. I also am worried about these because sometimes when these wash, they get nasty. But I do like the shirt. Do you like it now that you're looking at it? It's a cute outfit.
No.
I'm not in frame. There we go. Huh?
I don't like the fit.
All right. So, but you like those? You might keep those?
Yeah, I'll have to see them in my own mirror.
Yeah, they're really cute though. I like them. And then what I have on, I don't think I'm going to keep this top. This is like the workout top. It's got the cute crisscross in the back. The jeans feel fabulous, but I so don't need them. But they're fitting so good. It's like, you know that feeling when you just get a new pair of like tight jeans and they're not stretched out? Love it. So this is the little shirt. It's more of a workout shirt meant to be worn with leggings, I think. And then the back, can you see the back, or is my thing in the way? Showing? Okay. So there's the crisscross back. The jeans, here they are. I like they're high-waisted, they come up. And I even like the whiskering on them and everything. I like the jeans. I wish I didn't like the jeans, but I do.
They're cute.
I know. And they feel like, they just feel so good. So, all right, so all her and I have left to try on is the matching top that we have. So we'll be right back with that. Oh, we're gonna keep our same bottoms on. Okay, so we have our little matching tops on. You come closer to me, you're too far, just squat. They're both cute. I mean, they look good on both of us. I really like them. And it's got the little like keyhole opening like down here. And it's a really soft knit, like a really soft material that's not gonna shrink. I think that other top's gonna shrink.
Probably.
It had that material that's gonna shrink, but this is more like a cotton knit. This one won't. You do have to wear a special bra with this, so you have to wear a T-back. This one's not bad that I have, but this would not be the bra that I wore because it does show. Do you like it, Kenzie?
Yeah, it's real comfy.
Are we gonna keep these?
Maybe.
These are maybe for both of us, so we just have to coordinate our days wearing them. Or be twins. One of the two. All right, guys, that is the end. Oh, yeah. Kenzie has her purse. Yeah, show it on you. The strap is adjustable. This looks like it's too long. Is it too long where it hits?
No, it's fine.
Oh. She's not a fan of the purse, but it is a good neutral purse if you're looking for it. It looks like it's well made too, so I think it's a good purse. It's just we're spoiled with like Kate Spade and Coach.
It kind of feels like a Target purse.
It's a Target purse. Target. So, oh yeah. It's by Lulu. I've never heard of that company. Have you? You guys know Lulu? But yeah, it's cute on her though. Turn this side. I mean, it'll go with everything. That's the nice thing with it. So, so my potential keepers is this top. I like that other t-shirt. I liked the shorts, but the shorts I saw were collecting fuzz in the house, so I don't know about that. I really like these pants, even though I don't need them. They fit really great. I like this one. What do you like? That?
Yeah.
Those are the two pieces she's considering. So you guys let us know in the comment section what your thoughts are, what you liked, what you didn't like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, on your way out, give us a thumbs up and comment and subscribe so you can get more updates. We do mostly beauty and fashion on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!